Hello! So, wow, it's been a while. The last video I did was a year ago, and I was talking about possibly buying this camera, which I did. In fact, I bought two. I'm filming on the other one, and I have a whole bunch of lenses. I got a 55 to 200, a 16, a 27, 23, 35, and 18 to 55 mil, and they're all phenomenal. But we're not going to talk about this today. I've actually had a message from somebody who's watched one of my videos, a video from 2 years ago, about the 1963 Kodak Instamatic 400. So let's put that aside, and this is the camera. The message came from somebody called Anthony Smearden, I think I'm pronouncing that correctly, and basically he says he's just bought one and he wants to know where the batteries go. So it's very simple, really. The batteries go in here, in this little bit. And to be honest, I mean, I say it's simple. I had no idea for the longest time where the batteries went. It says open on it. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or if it's even in focus, but you can see there's a little lip here, and you just push that, and that's where the batteries go. So nice and simple. So that's it. But let's have a look around the camera as we're here. I did end up buying some flashes for these, but I didn't get much feedback on the video, so I never took it out to shoot properly. The flash pops up with this button here, and it's just little push-in bulbs. I'll see if I can find a picture on the internet of what you need. And then on the back here, or on the side rather, little another spring-loaded button which you just pull up, and that opens the back to take Kodak 126 film, which again I will see if I can get a picture and just put it up on the screen now. You load that in, and please bear in mind I've never actually loaded this camera with film, but they're all basically the same. Close that and you wind on here. You can hear the spring doing its thing, and then once that's done you press this button here. This is the shutter button, and voila, it takes a photo. And as I said in my video 2 years ago, I believe that will also wind the film on for you. If you guys want me to do a video about shooting on this camera, let me know. Like I say, I have the flashes for it. I'm not entirely sure what batteries it takes. I will look that up and I will put it on the screen now. But yeah, it's a fun little camera, and I really have no excuse for not shooting on it other than I'm being lazy. So, Anthony, I hope that's helped a lot, or at least helped a little bit. Any more questions, please ask below, and I'll see what I can do. As I'm here, I think I should probably mention that I've started another YouTube channel, which I know sounds absolutely ridiculous when I barely post anything. But this is with a friend of mine. I will just put a picture up. Boom, there you go. So the channel's name is Frosty's OP, which I know is a bit unusual, but I'll put a link in the description below. And it is kind of a geeky channel. It's all about things that Frost enjoys. And it ranges from space to skateboarding to traveling to rollerblading to science fiction. We've done 4 videos so far, and they're going down reasonably well. They're actually going down much better than my videos, but I dare say you can figure out why. So yeah, please like and subscribe, obviously. Feel free to comment if you want more information about this camera. I suppose I could go more in depth. I could actually take it out and use it, and I could actually see if it's any good. I mean, I assume it's good. It was a very popular camera back in the day, so I can't see why it wouldn't be. And sorry if that is making horrible noises through the microphone. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment, check out Frosty's OP, and let me know what you think. So thank you to Anthony for getting in touch, and Goodbye.